how to install extensions to ChatGPT Atlas. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up ChatGPT Atlas, then open up the side menu by clicking on the top right hand side corner, and here you get this option of extensions. Simply click on manage all extensions, and here you get this option of Chrome Web Store. Simply click on it, and there's another way, and you can just simply search for Chrome Web Store over here as well, and this will open up. Now simply search for any extension that you want to install. Suppose I want to install Windscribe, and this is how you would be able to see it. Simply select that particular extension that you want to install, and here click on add to Chrome and click on add extension, and this way it would be added. And this is how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.